room. A little bit more. Confident. Bro, I like that.
Looks like the pickup truck was slowed down. We're picking up the pace. 892 to 1070.
Yo, what up everybody? Today is April 7th. We're here at Irwindale Speedway, checking out all these cars. Just trying to hang out, check out some cool cars. The event. Got the homegirl here. I got Andy and the guys down there. We're trying to catch up to them and get some food. Until then, I'm going to show you guys some cars. I really didn't charge the camera. I was filming all day yesterday, so let's see what I can get.
At 88 miles.
I just heard Wally on the mic say his food is painful. Okay, more Miata action. Let's give it up for Jesse out there running for his life.
Decided? Yeah. I was like, nope, that's not gonna be. Oh wow. First time running these. Yeah, these are the Nixons. And Farrah. Okay. They make a shit ton of smoke too. That's why I feel fun. I really like the Lexus IS 300. Do you guys think I should get this car for my next drift vehicle? Comment down below. What? This is insane. This is insane. This is insane. What? Now that's dope. That is dope. I like the seats. The Spider-Man. The way they built this car is pretty crazy. The AE80 Best Corolla ever made. This is Randy's car.
This guy really kept the stock,
yeah, like some of the wheels. I know because it has John Force stickers. This pipe though. This is definitely a wide body. Guys, look at it from here. Hella wide. And it's insane. This is clean. Oh, right side drive. Right side drive. Skyline, boy. GTR. Wow, this is a rare Skyline. I really like these wheels, bro. Right there, that's freaking insane. This car is dope AF. No, I move.
No.
What the way? I'm trying to film. Pretty nice wheels. I'm liking the kit on it a little bit. G right there. Got some more on this building. This thing is insane. Gee whiz. Let me. There we go.
That blue carbon there.
Every day you see somebody come in with some skinny.
That was warm, bro.
Make sure you guys check him out on Instagram. This dude's build is insane. The carbon fiber blue hood. I don't know if you guys can see that on the camera. There we go. It's hella insane. His eyelids are dope. No, move! Oh my gosh, he's gonna stay there. You're ruining the shot!
Columbia plate right there.
Oh, and his right side drive. See, these rims are similar to my baby. Oh, R34.
Yeah, and then.
Okay, guys, Andy ditched us, and we gotta find him somewhere over there. And Noi here is being mean to me, abusing me, pushing me, kicking me. Don't know why.
What? I'm a nice person. I don't know.
That's also the ultimate lie. But we're trying to find them.
Nicest person.
They said they're at the jack strip. We went to the jack strip, and he said he's walking back to the pit. So we're walking back to the pit. But my camera's dying, so let's see what else I can get for you guys before I close this out. Next to the Subaru.
That one?
Yeah. Is that a Charger or Mustang? What?
That's a Charger.
It's a freaking Mustang. It's not a Charger. One of my favorite cars. Got a couple of old schools around here. Nothing but muscle. Got some drift spares ready. Everybody's set up to go, you know. For the next car I'm thinking about getting these type of ones for mine, so I like the aggression, but we'll see. I'll reveal to you guys that car once I get it. You all know who that is right there. This stuff is everywhere. Is that Andy right there? It is Andy.
What's up?
Ditched me.
Hey, I couldn't find you.
You left me with her, and she was abusing me again. You are abusive.
I'm not.
Are these the Jeeps?
Hey. Yeah.
Yeah, these things are high.
They're actually awful.
Might as well make it a monster truck.
They're not freaking wall crawlers.
Picking out some stickers.
2502.
Get you the size.
So Dollar Shave Club, you sign up, $5.
You all set? Thank you. Alright guys, we are done-ish. My camera died, so I'm gonna use my phone for now. If the quality is better, say something, I might just use my phone a lot more. Andy ditched us again. We don't know where he's at. So me and Noi are done for the day. I'd like you guys to comment down below what's your favorite car. And also comment down below if she was bullying me too much, like usual.
What? No, was it?
Yeah, you were being
No,
mean.
wasn't.
Yeah, when the camera's on, she's not mean, but that's a lie too. Anyways, we're gonna get going. I'll catch you guys later. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you next time. Peace.